Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can join a live on your Yubo. To do so, first of all, open up your Yubo app, and from here go on to the bottom right side of the screen for the live option. And here you can see there are many lives going on where you can go live and as well as watch live. This is my first time watching live, so to watch your live, click on any kind of live you want to watch and simply click on them or click on start. After that, you'll be able to join a live and chat with them, the people that are joining on your live. This was for this video, and that's how you can join a live on Yubo. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.